trending Korean spot na may unlimited ice cream machine? Dito yan sa Subachi Arcovia Pasig branch. If you're looking for the ultimate comfort food, eto na yon. Malinis at maganda ang place, plus Korean vibes talaga. And friendly at mabait ang mga staff. Ang star of the show natin dito, ang kanilang jajamtang. Tinry ko din tong cheesy volcano pork ribs nila. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala tong retro tokbok and itong pork belly slices on top na special rice bowl nila.
Kung pasta lover ka, go for the cream jjimdak pasta, super spicy and creamy.
Check out these tender slices of pork belly, literal na melt in your mouth sa lambot. Super rich and savory ng chaso na to. At perfect match sa special rice bowl nila. And itong retro tokboki nila na may fish cake, standard street style, goodness, hindi nakakasawa. If you want the classic vibes, wag magpapahuli, itry nyo tong retro tokboki nila. Subachi has been serving since 2020 at ngayon, alam ko na kung bakit sila laging trendy. They've got branches everywhere. Meron sila sa Makati, Malate, Clark, Pasay, so you have no excuses. So far, ito yung pinaka-best sa akin, itong cheesy volcano pork ribs nila. Imagine spicy ribs na nilulunod sa melted mozzarella cheese. Pero ito talaga ang game changer, may unlimited ice cream machine sila dito, and yes, self-service ito kaya pwede mong ulit-ulitin after your spicy meal. And tag your barkada na mahilig sa ice cream and see you there. Bye!